Okay, so when I originally built this, I actually left a whole bunch of space back here for running wires and stuff, which is actually came in pretty useful. So out of breath because I've been chasing this cable and the EcoFlow cable. So I left enough space for it up here up front so I can run it all the way to the battery later on. I'm not doing that today. I want to get this built before I worry about anything else. So this is that is the cable for that distribution block. So that's what came with it, so it should be fine. We'll find out when we get to it. But yeah, that's what we've been doing so far today. Okay, so the carpet is cut, or yeah, the carpeting is cut a little bit longer than it's supposed to be, but now I can actually start gluing it to the wall. So I might do a time lapse of this because I don't think you want to hear all the cussing and swearing that's going to happen with this process. Hope did most of it last time, and she's got patience. I don't have patience. Okay, so the carpeting is on the wall. Looks pretty good, not any wrinkles in it, so I'm happy. I do have some rope that we can put around the edges to make it prettier if we want to. More than likely we will, but pretty happy with that. All the cables are run, so we can continue with the build now. Okay, all I gotta do is figure out how we're gonna secure it. So I gotta find some locking mechanism to put up here, but all that space back there for laundry and shoes fits kind of snug, so that's good. So I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I just attached let me get off the squeaky floor. Okay, so I just attached this. It was on a wooden box that I had, and it does really good at securing it. So yeah, so I'm happy with it. It may not last long, but for now, it's what we got. It's what we're using. This part of the build is done, so now we just gotta make the cushion, the back cushions, and the cushions for on top of the refrigerator. So, yeah. Okay, the old shelf used to be 27 by 15. The new one's going to be a little bit shorter. So it's going to be about 8 inches deep. So it should be more than enough for what we need it for. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so just cut this out. That will get mounted there. 3 holes in the back of it, 2 brackets into the wood there, and then we'll put a support from that side up to that 80/20. Okay, so I got to do a little cleanup before I can actually carpet this, because I really want to carpet this so it looks like this wall. I really like this carpet look, so do a little bit of vacuuming. One of the best things we bought for the van, honestly. 12 volt, plugs it in, and it just goes. Brilliant. Okay, so this is the shelf so far. Pretty sturdy. Not going nowhere, anchored. Still got to put this piece of wood in. Then I'm probably going to carpet the actual shelf itself and the underneath as well, just to make it kind of blend in a little bit. But that's it so far. Okay, about to start carpeting this back wall where the new shelf is. So we'll see how this turns out. Should be okay, but we'll see. Okay, I am really happy of how the carpeting came out on the shelving unit. Took a little bit of patience, but I am really happy with it. Okay, we still have to find cushion material for on top of the fridge freezer in the back, so we're probably going to call this a video for now, and thanks for watching. Next time I will put the electrical panel up here. Cable's already run, so it shouldn't be that hard. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so that's what it's basically going to look like. Most of it's installed, but the shelf I just built is where, like, all the camera gear, all the where I keep my laptop and things like that. So this allows me to have a spot to charge everything. It's on this shelf.